I'm Mike with Ware Landscaping, and I am at a customer's house right now that needs a drainage system pretty bad. You can see all the sitting water all throughout the yard. The previous company did is they just installed a well here, and this is something that I would strongly advise against because just a well is gonna fill up. You can see there's a few little drains in there to help get the water into there, but during big rains, it's gonna fill up every time. What you need to do is, instead of a well, I always suggest doing a French drain, and we would tie that downspout into it, do a French drain all through here, which would get all of this water. And then we'd also, throughout the swale here, we would do the French drain continuing this way, and it'll absorb all of this water. We'll do drains every 20 feet. It's gonna go through here, absorb all of this, and then instead of stopping it here, we're gonna continue it all through the side of the house because they have pooling water over there. Tie in both of these downspouts, and then we'll pop it up out into the front to a low point. And then as a part of it, we'll also regrade and sod the backyard to make sure everything goes into the French drain. It'll totally dry out this backyard, but I just wanted to quickly reiterate the importance of doing a French drain over doing a well, because the majority of the time the wells are gonna fill up. They're gonna end up costing about the same. And then it's really important too to make sure that it drains out to a low point so then you don't have this mess anymore.